The NS Series 10. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the NS Series 10 by Northside Solution. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and an assortment of ear tips. The NS Series 10 features 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.0 and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case feels solid and it's made out of aluminum alloy and ABS. You have the branding on the front side, and on the back you have the micro USB port for charging and the charge status LEDs. The lid has a solid feel to it and it doesn't feel flimsy. It uses magnets along with the earbuds. They're easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have a simple design. It has a glossy finish on the inside with the ear markings. And on the outer face you have a brushed finish with the logo along with the button control. Each of the earbuds have microphone, LED, button control, ear tips, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Button controls have a responsive, clicky feel to it. A few taps will get you the desired function. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1 by 1.7 inches. It weighs in at 44 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
To my sense, I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, going back.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the NS10 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was okay during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the NS Series 10. They created a tight, secure fit, and there's good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after a period of time. Button controls responded well and don't add too much pressure when navigating. Build and quality is good. The case definitely feels solid with the aluminum shell. Earbuds are light and they feel durable. They have a slim profile and don't protrude out once seated in your ears. Battery life is fair, coming in at 6 hours and 24 with the case. I like the IPX7 rating, so this should protect you from the elements. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and USB-C instead of micro. Now when it comes to sound, I was a bit disappointed with these. The bass was too much for me. It sounds boosted and definitely not lacking. With that said, mids and highs I feel do suffer and are recessed. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. If you prefer the heavy bass, then these would be a choice for you. But for me, it was just a bit much on the low end. So that is my review of the Northside Solutions Series 10 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.